What do you guys do? Go up. I didn't let you guys come up. I let the excavator drive up. Then how can I get on? You go up, I'll teach you. In this lesson, we'll learn to climb a steep slope. Come on, go up. Stretch out your forearm, press the big arm down, grasp the ground, press down. You don't have to stretch so long. Right, come on. Pull the forearm forward, press down on the big arm. Right, press the big arm, pull the little arm. You still have to climb up, hook the potato seeds with the shovel. Okay, stop, come on, turn it around, lift the big arm up. Fall back for a while, it doesn't matter. You feel shaky, fall back for a while. Okay, come on, turn around, you don't have to pour it slowly. Slow down, turn. How heavy are your legs? You still have to turn around. Okay, turn, come on. Now push the forearm forward, step forward to walk, go up and down the ground, right? Insert into the ground and push to walk, push the forearm. Good, stop, press the big arm. Come on, now press down on the big arm like this, go straight down and press the big arm, right? Go straight down and press down on the big arm. Two feet step on walking, press down on the big arm, push the little arm. Come on. At the same time, press the big arm, close the little arm. Right, don't close the little arm. The little arm stops. That is to say, this is not just climbing up.